Take a comfortable seat or lie down. Gently close your eyes if it feels comfortable, and let's begin. Welcome. This is your time to pause and center yourself, even if just for 5 minutes. Taking this small moment in your day can make a big difference in how you approach life with calm and clarity. Let's begin by bringing your awareness inward. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Let's do this a few more times. Breathe in deeply, letting your belly rise. And breathe out fully, letting all tension melt away. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. There's no need to change it, just notice it. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nose, and the warmth as it leaves. With every exhale, imagine releasing stress and tension. Now shift your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head. Relax the muscles in your forehead, your jaw, and your neck. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel your arms resting heavy at your sides. Move your awareness down through your chest and stomach, noticing any areas of tightness and inviting them to soften. Feel your hips supported by the surface beneath you. Let your legs and feet grow heavy, releasing any remaining tension into the ground. As you sit here, take a moment to reflect on your intention for calm. Even a short practice like this is a gift to yourself, a chance to reset, to breathe, and to be. Silently say to yourself, I am calm. I am centered. I carry this peaceful energy into my day. Feel these affirmations settling within you, like seeds planted in fertile soil. Take one final deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes.